Actually, I'm thinking about making it my senior project.
Really?
Yeah, look how thick it is. It's between us.
I know. I'm doing a video. Here they are. How is it, guys?
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Very.
Who is that
Snow right
talking?
there.
Who is that talking? Where is she? I can't even see her yet. Wave your hand.
As far away as possible, so all you can really see is their outlines.
Oh.
Top.
Okay, now we got our airlift. Okay, there we all are down here. And look, there's the mountain clearing up over there. There's some kind of airplane
I don't think
wreckage.
anyone understood what just happened.
That's okay. I don't think we
don't need to know.
No.
No, yeah.
Yeah, he would be like, oh, no thanks. Okay, here we go. Here's the crew. And here we are. We're crying, but we're not in pain. Well, maybe they are.
Yeah, everything's more fun when you're tired.
Well, looks like whoever flew up this didn't make it over this ridge.
Man, that's awesome.
Not that they died, just that we're higher than an airplane. Woohoo! Oh, look at that bull! Woohoo! La 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 la!
Well, we're on the ridge here. Wow.
Are we there? I see blue! Wow! Good job, Annie! Here we go! I don't know, it sounds like a... What a weird sound! God, you're amazing!
That is really peculiar.
Okay, so we're watching the clouds come up because we're so stinking high! But we have blue skies and a little sundog.
There's a lake way down there.
Oh, there's a cute little lake!
Yeah.
And up there.
And then
Oh,
there's...
those, James knew the names of those ones.
Yeah,
Those are
yeah, what's that one? What's that little one?
That little pond down there?
Yeah,
Little pond.
It's called Campbell Pond.
Campbell Pondish. And there's Miss Annie.
I know a few Campbell ponds.
And there's that one.
500 of them.
And this is what I'm looking like right now.
It's like up in Hatchers.
And then he's trying to eat a sandwich. This is Tobin. Hello, Mr. Tobin. Never met him before. There's Evan looking very epic, eating his enormous sandwich. His sandwich. Hey, little guy. Look at the camouflage. Where is he? You can't even tell. There he is. We went around. There you go. Hey guys. There they come. Just a walking down the fence, singing do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy. Yeah, I better stop singing. It's a video.